Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to share tutorial of this eye look. This was inspired by Selena Gomez's new song, which is Single Soon. So that is a beautiful song. I quite like the vibe and I thought of creating this eye look which she had worn in her video. So first of all, I'm priming my eyelids using L'Oreal Infallible's concealer, then setting it up using Wet n Wild's powder. I'm using Colourpop shadow stick. It was a part of a set of 6, so I've used this. Now I'm just defining my crease by using the Wet n Wild's brown powder from the Dulche Leche duo. Now I'm applying the Super Shock eyeshadow in the variant Dream Lover. It's a beautiful shade, as you can see. I quite like the sparkle that it has got, and in a way we are setting the shadow stick as well. Now I'm using angled brush from Wet n Wild and drawing a wing. Now I'm using NYX Epic ink liner and I'll be drawing a proper wing, as you can see. And I'm not going to wear false lashes today because I'm not feeling it, but if you want you can certainly wear it. I'm cleaning the under eye area and now I'm defining my brows. So defining my brows is a very important step because her brows were also very much defined. Now I'm using Plum's I Swear by Kohl kajal and I just filled in my waterline, and now I'm just smudging the lower lash line by using the eyeshadows which I had applied on my upper lids. Now I'm just cleaning the under eyes, applying the concealer and just blending the concealer smoothly, and then we'll set it using Wet n Wild's Dulce de Leche face duo palette, and from there only I'm using the yellow powder to set the concealer. Now I'm using Rare Beauty's mascara. It's a volumizing mascara, and now I'm just applying the Super Shock eyeshadow from Colourpop to the inner part of my lower lash line. And now I'm using Rare Beauty's Humble Lip Kit. So in that lipstick and lip liner is there. I applied the lip liner. Now I'm just applying the lipstick. Now I'm using So Glassy lip gloss by Colourpop. I love this gloss. It is so nice and shiny. And now I'm using Colourpop's highlighter from the Lavish collection and just highlighted my brow bone. And this is how the whole eye look has turned out. I quite like the way this eye look has turned out. And do let me know by commenting down below if you liked this video, if this video was helpful to you in some way. Don't forget to leave any kind of feedback that you would like to share with me. And I quite like this eye look. I usually do such kind of glam eye looks. If you would like to see such videos, do check out my shorts feed for tutorials. I found it to be very easy to recreate or kind of get inspired by. Do let me know if you want to see more such videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.